Every time I think about God's goodness, natouch gyud ko. Maiyak man ako eh. Bitaw, kanang mayo kay si Lord jud. Daghan tag mga plano no, pero nganong wala nahitabo. Unya, niabot pug ko sa punto sa akong kinabuhi ba nga makaingon ko, Lord, why? Why me? Siya. Pero karon nasabtan na nako. The reason why God did not allow certain things to happen, it's because He is protecting me from myself. He is protecting me from my plans. Wala mo kabaloon sa mahitabo sa akong plano sa unahan, pero He knows. He knows what's going to happen next. God is just so good. So now, I want His plans to be done in my life. Daghan kong plano, but I just let His will be done. In Jesus' name,